Hello everyone, welcome to Ruba Fashion. Today we are presenting 100% pure cotton 100 count Zari Kattam Sungadi cotton sarees with contrast border, pallu and contrast blouse. The first saree color is dark purple and light purple combination. In pallu you can see the traditional golden stripe lines. Next color option is parrot green with black border. Since the fabric is very soft, it is easy to carry and easy to pleat. The next color option is dark brown tone with the dual shade red and orange border. If you are not a saree person, you can easily convert the saree into gown, anarkali and salwar. The next color option is beautiful parrot green with pink color combination. In this contrast pink border, you can see Annam pattern, traditional golden stripe lines as a pallu. The next color option is pink and blue combination. In this contrast border, you can see peacock pattern. Pallu will be traditional golden stripe lines. The next color option is beautiful dual tone fluorescent green and light green combination with the red border. In this contrast border, you can see Vanasingaram pattern and golden stripe lines as a pallu. Last color option is purple and blue tone combination. In this contrast border, you can see Annam and flower pattern. You can use this Zari Kattam saree for your function wear, office wear and regular wear as well. The price of the saree is just 999. If you like to purchase any of the saree, kindly take a saree screenshot and send a WhatsApp message to our number 9363848472.